Okay, good morning. Coinage metals. Coinage metals भनेको जुन मेटल्सहरूबाट हामीले कोइन्स बनाउन सकिन्छ। यिनीहरूलाई कोइनेज मेटल्स भनेर भन्छ। जस्तै कपर, सिल्भर, गोल्डबाट कोइन्स बनाइन्छ, सिक्का बनाइन्छ। त्यसकारण यसलाई कोइनेज मेटल्स भनेको हो। द कोइनेज मेटल्स आर मोर appropriately called group 11 phosphate elements. General properties of coinage metals. They occur in native as well as combined state. They are hard, ductile, malleable, and highly melting point. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. The general electronic configuration is N-1, D10, NS1, and copper, silver, and gold are little reactive, so that they are also known as noble metals. Coinage metal shows variable valency because it can lose one or more electrons from penultimate d orbital along with s electrons of the valency shell. Due to not much energy difference between ns and n-1d, copper +1 and +2, gold +1 and +3, activity with acids, copper, silver, iodine. All the coinage metals form complex salts, tetraamine copper sulfate, sodium dicyanoacetate, potassium dicyanoaurate, phos. Chemical properties of coinage metals. Action with air, reacts slowly with air over time, forms dull brown to green layer called patina, mainly basic copper carbonate. This layer protects the underlying metal from further corrosion. Silver does not react significantly with oxygen or dry air, tarnishes in most moist air due to presence of hydrogen sulfide or sulfur compounds forming black sulfur sulfide. Gold, most unreactive of all metals with air, does not react with oxygen, moisture, or sulfur compounds, retains in shiny metallic luster indefinitely. Coinage metal action with water, no reaction with cold in hot water, does not liberate hydrogen gas from water. In the presence of moist air, it can slowly form a green patina, but pure water alone does not cause corrosion. Reacts only at high temperature with steam very slowly, forming copper second copper oxide. कपरले वाटरसँग हिट गर्यो भने के भन्छ क्युप्रस अक्साइड very limited. Silver unaffected by cool in hot water, no visible reaction with water under normal condition. Gold completely inert to water, cool, hot or steam, does not oxidize, corrode or tarnish in water. गोल्डलाई अक्सिडाइज हुँदैन यो, यसलाई कोरोजन गर्न अथवा टार्निश गर्न वाटरमा यो सक्दैन र रिटेन्स इट्स मेटालिक लस्टर इभन आफ्टर लङ एक्सपोजर। गोल्डलाई हामीले इन्भाइरोमेन्टमा अथवा वाटरमा धेरै लामो समयसम्म राख्दा पनि जुन गोल्डको जुन लस्टर हो, तल्काई हो, त्यो चाहिँ सधैँ रहिरहन्छ। यो कलर चेन्ज हुँदैन र कोरोजन हुँदैन र अक्सिडाइज पनि हुँदैन। Action of coinage metal salt solution with metals like zinc, magnesium, ferrous. This involves displacement reaction, also known as redox reaction. A more reactive metal can displace a less reactive metal. from its salt solution. Reactivity series simplified. सबैभन्दा बढी रिएक्टिभ को छ magnesium छ भने सबभन्दा कम reactive gold छ. Since magnesium, zinc, and iron are more reactive than copper, silver, and gold, they can displace coinage metals from their salt solution. But magnesium, zinc, र iron यी coinage metal भन्दा बढी reactive भएको हुनाले यो coinage metals लाई यो displace गरेर displace reaction हुन्छ र यो copper, silver र gold लाई free metal को रूपमा release हुन्छ. Zinc in copper second sulfate solution. Zinc reacts with copper sulfate, zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc displaces copper from the solution and copper metal precipitates. Magnesium in silver nitrate solution. Magnesium reacts with silver nitrate and magnesium nitrate plus silver is produces. Magnesium being the highly reactive easily displaces silver. Iron in copper second sulfate solution. Iron reacts with copper sulfate, produces the ferrous sulfate, the free copper. Iron displaces copper because it's more reactive. Formation always in coinage metals. Coinage metal copper, silver, and gold readily from always with one another and with other metals. Always improves hardness, strength, corrosion, resistance, or charge, corrode, and melting point. Coinage metals copper, silver, र गोल्डले के बनाउँछ एलोय बनाउँछ भनेको एलोयस भनेको मेटलहरुको मिक्सचर हो र एलोयस भन्यो भने यो कडा हुन्छ बलियो हुन्छ कोरोजन रेजिस्टेन्स हुन्छ चेन्ज कलर चेन्ज हुन्छ मेल्टिङ पोइन्ट पनि चेन्ज हुन्छ कपर एलोयस कपर र स्ट्यानम को मिक्सचर बन्यो भने ब्रोन्ज बन्छ कपर र जिंक मिक्स हुने ब्रास त्यसै गरेर कपर र निकल कपर र सिल्भर Silver alloys, sterling silver, 92.5% silver plus 7.5% copper. Harder than pure silver used in the jewelry utensils. When silver, approximately 90% silver and 10% copper. Gold alloys, 99.9% is gold, pure golds. copper pyrites र copper glans malachite को रूपमा हामीले ores को रूपमा पाउँछौं र physical properties of copper it is malleable ductile with behaving thermal and electrical conductivity it flash pink color chemical properties यसले एयर सँग रिएक्सन गर्छ र क्युप्रस अक्साइड भयो यो 1100 डिग्री सेल्सियस भन्दा कम तापक्रममा र 1100 भन्दा बढी तापक्रममा क्युप्रस अक्साइड बन्छ भने 1100 भन्दा कम तापक्रममा कपर अक्साइड बन्छ कपर अक्सिजनसँग रिएक्सन गर्यो भने एक्सन अफ वाटर सँग रिएक्सन गर्यो भने हाइड्रोजन ग्यास रिफ्लेक्ट हुन्छ र कपर अक्साइड निस्कन्छ एक्सन विथ एसिड्स कपर रिएक्ट्स विथ सल्फ्युरिक एसिड एन्ड अक्सिजन कपर सल्फेट एक्सन विथ क्लोरिन कपर रिएक्ट्स विथ क्लोरिन कपर क्लोराइड displacement reaction, copper reacts with silver nitrate, silver action of copper with ammonia, addition of small amount of ammonia forms of blue precipitate of copper, second hydroxides, excess of ammonia added, the precipitate dissolves forming a deep blue solution of the tetraamine copper second complex. Copper hydroxide reacts with ammonia and the triamine copper. Action of copper with sulfur, copper cuprous sulfide. Reducing action of copper can act as reducing agent, especially when it is the metallic copper state. Copper reacts with silver nitrate and free silver. Copper reduces silver plus to metallic silver. Copper itself oxidized to copper 2 plus. Uses of copper, it is used making electric cables due to very good conductor of electricity. The hardened alloy is made mixing with the gold and silver with copper and this hardened material is used as ornaments. It is used in electroplating, making coins. Salt of copper is used as insecticides. Okay, it's all about coinage metals under diploma in engineering, chemistry, second CTVT. Uh, okay, thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. Let's now bye bye. See you again.